And this is Ryan Catchin. His name's not Ryan Catchin, but this is Ryan Catching.
You would think they would put the score up to the second or third inning.
What is this guy saying?
How many pitches did our guy finish with last time?
Nice! Yeah! 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 Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Nah. That.
Good eye.
We stole a base on ya. We stole a base on ya. Yeah. We stole another base on ya. No.
I thought he saw him bring him in. I didn't see the part after that. Yeah, he's right there.
No. Oh.
Alright, you got a piece.
Oh, that was bad. Let's go, Mustangs. Oh. Oh, Jesus. That was almost my face. That was a really nice pitch. Yeah! Nope. Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Yeah, buddy!